That shit is nice. Selling 4Gs. Hey, watch out for the stains. Please. Clean as hell. F80. Carbon lip, side skirts. This ain't nice. BBS. Them shit's clean as hell. That shit is clean. Shit is cleanest thing out here. The Lambo STO. And the sex boys.
If someone was like, here, which one do you want?
Shit clean as a motherfucker, man. God damn. Shit clean as a motherfucker. Fully like decked out. NXX boys out here heavy. Dead battery. Carbon flares. It looks a little wide on it. It's gotta be the hardest vet they've ever made. Shit clean as hell. Supercharged on it. Shit's hard. I ain't never seen that carbon back before. It's like carbon wing, V10. It's clean. It's a bad bitch right here. This shit's clean. RB26. Hella clean. If I was to ever go 90s, this shit hard. G80 coming to the channel soon. Clean. Shit. This thing nice. I think that's paint too. Got the new Z. Shit is nice. It's nice as hell. Shit is hella clean. Inside, the Z stepped their game up with that one. It's the dream car. It's the Viewz McLaren coming. It's like the third STO I didn't see in here. This shit's clean, boy. The Maserati. Yeah. 765 LT. I'm pretty sure I got this on camera in the last video. STO 911. Shit clean as hell.
If I had to say it more.
Shit clean. Hell yeah. Bro, you have to have a special love for Porsche to understand how hard this shit is. New McLaren's sick as hell. Nasty. Let's see what this. Clean. Hell clean. all type of shit. The M340i came to show out. Sick, sick. Hella sick. It's clean as hell. The Volks. I like that. It's nice. Hell. F80. Carbon lip. Side skirts. This thing's nice. Let's go ahead and see if I catch some pullouts. Alright, y'all, that's gonna wrap up this video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. First car meet in like a year. This shit turned out pretty good. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate y'all for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next one.
Push these niggas off me like, push these bitches off me like, push these niggas off me like, pushing the snakes, I'm pushing the fakes, I'm pushing them all off me like, pushing them all off me like, yeah. I be a